How to use Cash App referral code. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So you would be getting a referral code for Cash App by going into your profile, which is on the top right hand side corner, and scroll down till the very end, and over here you would be able to get the referral code option. Since my account is quite old and not new at all, but if you have created your account recently, then you would be getting an option of referral code over here. Simply click on it and then paste the referral code from the people out there, and you would be getting bonus for it. But make sure that you have done some stuff before doing it. First, verify your identity. Second thing is that you need to link either your bank or card, and the other thing that you need to do is transfer at least $5 to any person out there, and after that you would be able to get bonuses in your Cash App account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.